Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to Google Sheets. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets you can create tables based on new orders from Ecwid, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. At this point, the configuration of the Ecwid data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Google Sheets as the system. Next, you need to specify the action Add Row. At this stage, you need to connect your Google account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your email and password. Next, you need to check all the boxes for access and grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Google account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Now you need to specify the file and sheet to which you will transfer new orders. After selection, you will see the Google Sheets fields. To add a variable, click in the message box and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned to the message, click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the setting for receiving data in Google Sheets has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.